Hi, this is Mrs. Mulholland from Mount Holly, 4th grade, and we're going to finish up generalizations today. So let's look at some more information about generalizations. Ever wonder what a generalization is? Well, we should know what a generalization is. You may not be aware, but you make them all the time. We make generalizations like, almost all stories have main character, most puppies are cute, all kids go to school, everyone loves superheroes, nobody likes Brussels sprouts. So what is a generalization? It's a broad statement, applies to a group or people or things, and it's based on facts and experience. They often contain these clue words: always, most, sometimes, rarely, never, all, many, some, no one, and generally. A generalization can be valid, good, or invalid, bad. Valid generalizations, they have facts to support them, make logical sense, and have several examples. Invalid generalizations, on the other hand, don't have facts to support them, are not reasonable, and can be proven wrong. So let's look back at the generalizations that we saw earlier. Which ones do you think are valid? Well, almost all stories have a main character is valid. All kids go to school is invalid. Most puppies are cute, valid. No one likes Brussels sprouts, invalid, and everyone loves superheroes, also invalid. So we can make generalizations when we read. We can develop generalizations about what is happening and why to help us better understand. So we're going to read a story, Steve Rogers' Super Story. Steve Rogers wasn't always a super soldier. When Rogers was younger, he was scrawny and weak. He wanted to join the army, but was denied because he was too small. Rogers wouldn't give up his dream to be a soldier. When one of the generals overheard him begging to join, he signed him up for the Super Soldier program. This program gave Rogers the boost he needed. He gained agility, speed, strength, and endurance. All of his powers made him the superhero he is today. So what generalization was made in the story? All of his powers made him into the superhero he is today. Is that valid? Yes, because each one of the powers he gained he didn't have before, and each power helped give him super characteristics. So if I read the story and made the following generalization, that Steve Rogers was always strong, would that be valid? No, because there is an example to prove it wrong. When Steve Rogers was younger, he was scrawny and weak. This would be an invalid generalization. So along with generalizations, we can also infer and draw conclusions. For example, from the text and picture, I can infer